Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter, that is the fraction. Students, already we have discussed about that in previous classes also, the comparison of the two fractions. But today once again I will remind, then after we will discuss about that ascending order or descending order of the fractional numbers. Okay students, so let us discuss once again what is that which is greater and which is smaller of the among the two fractions. Okay, so compare the following. First one I will write 3/4 and 5/7. Students, observe that here 3/4 and 5/7, these two fractions are there. Among this, which one is greater, which one is smaller? Already I have told you students, in the previous classes already have learned. Suppose 3/4 and 5/4. Which one is greater? Now, obviously this is 5/4 is greater. Why? What is the reason? Why it is greater and this is smaller? Without doing also, we can easily find out this is the greater fraction because the denominators are here same. Observe students, the both are denominator same. Then this numerator is greater. So if the two fractions are having denominator same and whose numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Okay, once again I will tell you. So this is if you will say suppose 3/5, 4/5, which is greater? Now that 3 after this number, because 5 both are same, 3 this is a 4, so this number is greater. If I will say, if the denominators are not same, suppose I will say 2/3 and 3/5, which one is greater? In these cases, we have to make the confusion. We will get the confusion. So by that way, you have to make this denominator both you have to make it same. So that let us discuss in this example. So observe friends. Now first it has the denominator 4. Here 7, the different denominators are there, so you have to make it same. So for that, what is the procedure? Now first of all, you have to do that LCM. LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. Okay, because 7 is a prime number, so 4 into 7, 28 LCM. So now first number you have to make 3/4 is equal to, observe friends. First of all, what I told, draw one line and a 28 4 you have to divide. That means 4 into 7 is equal to here 28. Observe here, this one is very important. How that 7 will come? Now it must need to denominator 28, because whatever the LCM, that should be denominator. So 4 into dash is equal to 28. 4 table, where is the 28? Compulsory it will come, because already you have taken the LCM. So 4 7 ja. Are you clear? So 4 7 ja 28. Now if you have multiplied with the denominator with 7, then numerator what is there remain? 3 also multiply with 7. 3 7 ja 21. Are you clear? Next we can go for the second one. 5/7. Same like draw one line. First 7 into which number multiply means 28 will come. Denominator both having should be 28. 7 table 4, 7 4 ja 28. So numerator also multiply with 4. So 5 4 ja 20. So now you check these two rational numbers. Here 28 denominator, here also 28 denominator. So both are having the same denominator. So which numerator is greater? Now this is greater. Hence this number is greater than this. Hence this one equivalent to this. So this number is greater than this. Hence what we can write also? 21/28 is greater than 20/28. Hence this 21 equivalent fraction is this. We have equivalent we done. So 3/4 is greater than 5/7. Are you clear? So I hope you have understand. Okay. So you have practiced this, and then after you can easily do this. Now we will do for the ascending and descending order of that fractions. Students, write down one example. Writing ascending order. Write in ascending order of the following questions. Okay. So 2 by 5, 3 by 7 and 1 by 9. These three questions, three fractions I have given, students. So we have to find out or one more question also we can give also, 5 by 2. Okay. So this 4 questions you have to alternativity there. You have to write in ascending order. Ascending means lower to higher, smaller number to greater number. So before doing that, first of all write down solution. 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 1 by 9 and 5 by 2. So what I told, whenever we are doing comparing, at that time we are taking the LCM. Here 4 given, so make it all denominators same. So take it LCM again. LCM of 5, 7, 9 and 2 is, how much LCM you take the right side here? 5, because of the students here all are that composite prime numbers also is there. So if you take that all, you have to multiply. Okay. Here 10, 60, so 630 will come. Of the students. 7 9 is 63, here 5 2 is 10, so 630. So now what you have to do, 2 by 5 is equal to, first number we have to make it. So denominator should come 630, observe friends. So 5 into, what is the number you have to multiply? If that means see 63, okay friends, divided by which one? 5. 5 1 is 5, 1 3, 5 2 is 10, 3 0, 5 6 is, so 126. So 126. So if you are denominator you are multiplying 126, 2 into 126 is equal to 2 multiplying 2 6 is 12, 1 2 2 is 4 1, 5 2 1 is 2 by how much? 630. Same this multiplying 630 will come. This is first number. Second number do 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into dash is equal to 630. That means if you are multiplying with 7, sorry, here 7, if 7 which you are multiplying, then what will come? That means 5 to the 10, 10 means 90. Okay, 90 it will come. So 3 into 90 is equal to 270. 3 after 1 by 9, what will come? 9 into 70. Okay, so 1 into 70 is equal to 70 by 630. Same like 5 by 2. 2 into, what will come? If you will divide, this one will come 2 3 is this 2 630 divided by 2, 2 3 is 6, 0 3 2 1 is 2 1 0 2, 315. Yes. So 5 into 315 is equal to 5 5 is 25, 2 5 1 is 5 2 7, 5 3 is 15 by 630. Object friends, now we have got that all that denominator check out. You should see here 630, here 630, here 630, here 630. So all of the denominators are same. So now we have to check that which number is greater, which number is smaller now. So first of all 252, here 70 there. So this is smallest number among these. So first write down 70 by 630, comma 70 after which number? 252. So 252 by 630, comma next 270 by 630, next 1575 by 630. Now what you have to do, the equivalent fraction we have to check is equal to, what is the equivalent fractions of the friends? 70 by 630, 70 by 630, 1 by 9. So first 1 by 9. Next 252, 252 equivalent fraction 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Next 270, 270 equivalent fraction is 3 by 7. So 3 by 7. Next this one, so 5 by 2. So this is your answer. Okay friends, so I hope you have understand this, and you should do practice in your home also. I am giving to you homework. Write in ascending order 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 7. Okay friends, this 3 only you should do, one only, that is your homework for you. Okay friends, thank you.